Hi everyone, today we will learn how to detach the controller from the Lenovo Legion Go. So in order to do that, you just have to flip it over. After you flip it over, you will be able to see this. This is the release button. Just press it and slide it down. That's it. It's detached now. See, it's super easy, right? Let's do the another one too. Done. See, it's detached. And now if you want to add it back, you just have to align it. So align it this way, you see, and just slide it up. It's attached now. Same goes for the other one. You just align it and it just snaps, right? You just slide it up. So this is how you detach and add the controller from the Lenovo Legion Go. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.